Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. And if you're new, please make sure you hit that red rectangle, which is down below right here, one of them hands, followed by the post notification bell so it notifies you every time I drop a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back. Please continue to subscribe because I got lots more for you. I'm like on my tippy toes and I'm like, let me make sure what I'm saying is proper because I'm tired, okay? So shout out to my new hairdresser. Okay, she's back. Her name is Tay. I forgot her real name. She told me, but I forgot. She did her thing. If I know the name, I need to ask her what the name of this hairstyle is, because she asked me to be a model. Well, she posted that she wanted a model, and I was like, I'm that girl. I'm like, well, I didn't say I'm that girl, but I was like, girl, I can do it for you. No, I'm interested. So today was the day. I had 2 days, but I picked today. So today's Labor Day, okay? It's literally 8:40, okay? Because my hair, she had to hair straighten my hair. I love her because she has patience in my hair. People love, I was telling her, people love to complain about my hair, but she had patience. And I was just asking her techniques of what to do with my hair. So remember how I kept saying I want to cut my hair, y'all? I don't want to cut it because I seen improvement when she straightened it. I was like, not straightening, blow dry it. I was like, this is the one. I just need to get the technique she's saying and I'll be good. But my hair, oh my god, my hair is full. That's why some of y'all were commenting. I remember some of y'all in my inbox and be like, are you sure you're using the right blow dryer? I am. It's just a blow dryer. But she said there's a way of doing it, so keep practicing. So I'm gonna do that. But anyways, I'm basically here to show y'all my hair. Okay, that's what the whole video is about. All right, just look at this. Your hairdresser can never. I've been waiting to say this for how long? Because it's true. Your hairdresser could never do this. Like, oh, I'm like dropping everything down because I'm tired. I'm hungry. I don't know if y'all can see the heart. She took her sweet time to do my hair. She has to blow dry my hair. Remember I told you because my hair was just, I blow dry, but it was something else. But your hairdresser could never. So there's the heart. The only thing I don't like about my hair right now is because of this. I was telling her, but she didn't get it. Hopefully, if she watches this video, she gets it. My head shape, okay? So she was doing the hair to fit my head shape. So I was just like, I don't like this part. Like, it's perfect, but just can't. And she was trying to braid this hair, but since this hair is like growing back, it's kind of one of the hair that broke off. She's just like, you know what? Too much tension. I'm just gonna leave it as a swoop, a baby hair, and yeah. So I'm just talking too much. Y'all just see my hair. There's another heart over here because of the new thing. Well, to us Canadians, y'all States people probably add up in time, but man, you already know this thing. Just giving this for sorry, I'm just singing songs, but let me just not sing because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. But oh my god, I didn't even realize the hair she did. Like, look at this. You see this right here? Look, y'all see this, right? I'm like pulling my hair. Y'all see this, right? It's like thick over here a little bit, and then she worked the damn thing. She did the damn thing. I'm saying she worked. She did. She worked and she did the damn thing. Oh my god. With my hair shape, especially with my hair, she worked with my hair because a lot of hairdressers are fine that they can't work my hair. And the fact that it's like natural and then some pieces are long and short, she worked with this. Oh my god. So what is this right here? I don't know. I think it's the cream that I use too, but oh my god. No, I'm loving this. Oh my god, this is the one that I told you that I was trying to get for my birthday and I couldn't. She did my hair. If I have a picture, I'm gonna put it right here. When I went to Orlando for Play This Live, remember how my hair was like literally cornrows, like the Funali braids, cornrows, and then twist? She's the one that did that. I was trying to make her do my hair on my birthday, but I couldn't find her. Why? Because she said she deactivated her account. and she was busy with school, but I had her number. She said I could have messaged her, but I was like, I don't want to bother you. If you don't have your page up, that means you're not ready, you know what I mean? So yeah, sorry, I was reading a message, but oh my god, y'all see this? I'm so amazed. I've never been so like amazed on my hair. I don't know if you guys see me back. I can't see right now, but when I look at my video, oh my god. And she used a different type of hair stretch. Oh, a hair stretch, pre-stretch hair. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm doing the detailing properly, but oh my god. I got like hair over here, damn. Oh my god. My mother's waiting for me because I just came home and I'm hungry. I didn't eat all day, but oh my god. She wants me to promote her. Her name is Kay. So if y'all want her Instagram, no, you know what? I'm gonna put her Instagram right down below, and I'm gonna put it right across right here because this shit is a bomb. I usually don't promote people, I told you, but I'm only gonna promote you if you ask. Well, she did kind of ask, but it was like just like a little ask. I like that because some people beg, I'm not gonna do it. And two, I have to promote her. Like, what? Look at this. The fact she worked on my head shape, even though I kind of don't like this part because my head is like, oh. But this right here, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let me just get a photo. Once I know the name, because the time this goes out, it's gonna probably be out at the end of the month because I have so many videos coming for y'all. Once I know the name of the hairstyle, she told me what it was, but I forgot. Once I know the name, I'm gonna put it down here, I'm gonna correct it, and you're gonna know by the title, okay? Oh my god. I'm obsessed. So shout out to you, Tay. You did your thing, alright? My mother's coming. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Don't forget to like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz. And I'll see you guys in the next video, right? I'm done. Bye.